Okay, you should be able to hear me clearly. And yeah, we can start. As always, give me a sub on YouTube if you're watching on YouTube. If you're watching on Twitter, please do give me a follow. And don't forget to check out NVO at nvo.dev. And on Twitter, the handle is NVO underscore indexer. So, yeah, this is the handle. Just go and give it a follow. Okay, great. Now we can, while I figure out this thing, which is music and rest of the problems, I will, uh, y- not I will, you guys can wait till then, and hopefully you are able to hear some music in the background. Okay, now I haven't opened the chats, but anyway, I don't think any of you guys actually join this like streams. But also, tomorrow I am going to record an actual video of Polymarket, like how to interact with Polymarket. They have a bunch of examples. We saw no, you guys didn't see them. Examples, no. Polymarket node examples. Yeah. So these examples I'm just gonna try where no, not this. I did see them, right? No, Polymarket. Let's see examples. Preview. No, not these. Create API. Developer quick starter. Okay, let me try to find that. Polymarket. No, I wasn't. Yeah, clock client. This one. You see, with clock client, there are hundreds of. No, sorry. Again, uh, those are not hundreds. Maybe there are few. .ts. Okay, let me see. We can divide by this. There are 70. Then there are 70 examples, and so I can create 70, what do you call this, 70 videos on it, explaining each and every part. So let's see. Hopefully you guys will like them. And yeah, okay, I'm back. Now we'll go back to Polymarket negative risk mapping. Let's open this, and you're working on position converter, right? Position redemption 2 3. Okay, there are four in total that we have to do. So let's put position converted at the end and do question prepared. This one, if negative risk not found, +1. Okay, so this is the same thing. PNL subgraph, permalink. We go back to market prepared, and what do we do? What we do here? It's okay. Negative risk event question 0. They are not recording the BPS fee bips. Okay, event dot. No, also we'll do the. Did I? Okay, I have my mic open. So okay, fee bips we are not recording in market prepared, and last part is redemptions. Okay, so in redemption conditional payout denominator, do we check that anywhere? No. Okay, this will be interesting. Let's copy this just to get the permalink. Add it here, and we start working on the logic. That logic will be helpful. No, we are just following the same logic, right? Condition, if condition is null, we return. If not, we update open interest, and then we again check if condition dot denominator equal to 0. We do want payout, then C I, then we take I position ID, then numerator dot I, this is price, okay. Let's stop this here before it becomes too big of a mess for us, and we'll do here 2 explicitly. Then we do const position condition id dot position position id equal to condition dot position id index I. Now I'm assuming yeah, it can be undefined, so we do this part. Okay, const amount equal to event dot params dot amounts I. Then we do const, will it be okay. We again need if not amount context dot want missing amount for position id at index. Okay, then we do const price equal to payout at the top they took that. No, condition dot payout numerators I into collateral scale divided by payout denominator context redeemer position id price amount. Okay, now here we assume we need to do the if else again, if statement again. Const, what will this be? Position numerator. I'm gonna assume that's and here we add that. Oh, not this. Payout numerator not found for okay. Missing payout numerator for position ID at index. Okay, with this we have done this particular part also. Last is position converted, which is the frustrating part that I don't want to deal with because it's too big and too complex. A lot of if else. But I have decided to do that, so I am going to. Let's see. Redemption. Okay, this one. We get question count. That's I just want to check, are we returning anywhere inside this? If we are, that's not a good idea. Okay, we are not. Let's see, return and go at the bottom. Yes, position converted we are doing at the top. That's fine. Is there any? No, there isn't anything here. So what we can do is load or create position. Okay, I do want to check now. Index contains okay, we have done this part here and we do condition position ID condition dot push. Okay, there is something here that we could have done better, but I guess we messed up. Get negative risk condition ID. Okay, no, I'm just assuming we 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 need no count and no price sum where this is updated, where this is getting updated. User position dot average price. Okay, so this is totally different logic. This is not even the same thing at this point. No count. Okay, let me open this. No count is here only. Converting condition IDs. Okay. All this is related to conditions. Nothing is related to positions. So let's just yeah. Let's add this in the for loop under this part. Let me Let me copy this. We put no count and no price sum at here. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I have to adjust the camera. My posture is very bad when sitting at the desk. So, yeah. Okay, let's go and start writing this. PNL related variables. We do let no count. Okay, no count PNL. I'm gonna say that this one. Then let no price sum PNL equal to 0. We have those two. We go here and we update them. Do we have this function? No, we don't. Let's see. I'm assuming we haven't used them. Let me. Okay. Name is different, but if you see, it's doing the same thing. Oh, no. Maybe? Get condition ID. Okay. No, it's not doing the same thing. If you see here, we take market ID, question ID, and outcome index, and that outcome index is used. Last time we just used this one. It's somewhat similar, it's not exactly the same, but we definitely have this. CTF utils. Yes. Uh, Let me still copy this and check. Okay. And no, we wrote this because this was just straight straight up irritating. It was byte manipulation somewhere. Yeah, you see, I do remember. Not a great memory, but I do remember. Okay, let's ignore that. Let's try to compute these things, and we should be able to get position ID for get negative risk position ID. With this, we are almost at the end, almost at the finish line. So let's see. Okay, someone is actually watching today. That's a good thing, but I don't know. Oh, they were watching for a good chunk of time. And okay, that's awesome. Also, keep listening to the music. I have some things in mind that I want to work on. Oh, okay. I'm going to download the music so it won't stop and I can start it on repeat. I don't know on YouTube if you can do repeat. I know you can do that on YouTube Music, but yeah. Okay. I. Hey Arjun. Hi. Just saw that you are here. So how's things going? I do remember you were working on something like Polymarket. Not working, but we talked about Polymarket last time. Order matching and yeah, so something related to that. But some updates from my end. I'm almost done with this. Like just the migration part, you see. Out of 8 I have done 7, and this is 8th one is almost at the end, so should be done in a week or so. Afterwards it's all testing and just validating the data against actual Polymarket indexer. So let's see how it works and if it works correctly or not. But yeah, currently working on negative risk adapter for position. What is this? Sorry, negative risk adapter for PNL subgraph, and here yeah, this part I'll maybe as a reference just put this link in the chat so you can see what I'm referring to. Okay, const get negative risk conditions, no, negative risk position id equal to okay, negative risk market id, we do question index number and then outcome index number. What's up? Okay, let's do return 0 and to do we do const question id get negative risk question id negative risk market id comma question index. That's done. Okay, question index what? Okay, next is const condition id equal to get condition id, not an ideal way. We'll do context dot change, or no, context dot it's not context, it's indexer dot chains 137 dot contracts, no, negative risk adapter addresses, and let's assume there is only one. Then we can do question id. Okay, let's see if this works. Argument 0x. Okay, address. Okay, I'm assuming this one returns, this one gives an issue because it's an array and they might not know how many, there might be a zero elements or there might be 4 elements. So we don't know what's happening. That's why this gives us an error. So what we can do is we can do, what happened? Okay, we can do if no const negative risk adapter address, remove this part, put this here as 0 extra, no, it's already 0 x string, and we do if else negative, let me comment this out so all errors will go away. If not negative risk adapter address, we do continue, and context.log warn will also take context here, handler context.warn negative risk adapter not found for chain. Okay, this is good. Then we do return. Okay, should we break this? I'm assuming breaking this would make sense. Throw new error config. Okay, if it is not found in config, that creates an issue. So that's why if we don't find that address in config, it's a wrong indexer configuration is wrong, and indexer should stop. That's our assumption. So that's why we are actually throwing an error instead of logging, along with logging it. Error. Then we go here and do okay. Now final const position id equal to compute position id negative risk and condition id outcome index. Okay, and we return that position id. With this we have the first part. This we already have load or create user position. Now we just need to update it. Update user position with cell. Let's do okay. No, I have to export this. Export. I want to go here. Const position id equal to get negative risk position id. It will take context, then market id, then question. Okay, question index. No, it's just I, not question index. And final is what's no index. Okay, we'll just, how many times is it used? Okay, only 2. So I can do, not even do only once. So we can do 1, Let's see what's the issue. Argument type string is not assignable to, okay, as 0x string. Will that work? Okay. Market ID string. Okay, this would be nice if it's bytes 32. It would be nice to get as 0x string because it will be a 0x string. Okay, sorry. Also, for some reason, my camera decided to reset. Okay. Okay, cool. I want to check this part where I'm saying okay, feature requests. Not all are required, but just a list that we can talk about. Having bytes 32 values as 0x string instead of just string. Let me check in the negative risk adapter. uh, we what we are working on, converted, right? Yeah, converted. Yeah, market ID is bytes 32. If it's simple enough, we uh, implementing it makes sense, but if it's not, doesn't really matter. We already know it's bytes 32, so we can convert it to 0x string and assume it will be correct. Then we do const user position equal to await get or create user position context. What will be the user will be stakeholder, right? Yeah, stakeholder. Then position ID. Great. And finally we do update position with cell. Await. Okay, context stakeholder position ID not 0x. Instead we'll do user position dot average price and then the amount. Okay, that's awesome. We are done till this. No price sum equal to okay, now we are done. from where we are getting the question count. Question count is question count. Okay, let's go as it. Okay, no count is equal to question count. We return. Okay, this if statement is not actually relevant for us right now. So what I'll do, and there also there is no return, so it's safe to safe for us to ignore and just like write a new block. That's much simpler. Okay, we go here, we do const no price equal to no price sum PNL divided by no count PNL. If question count equal to no count PNL, we return. Question count could equal to no count. In that case, we didn't buy any yes tokens. Okay, just copy this. And now we do what? Yes const yes price equal to, okay, compute negative risk price is a new function that we didn't see yet. Are we using it multiple times? That's my question. Okay, no, we are not. So okay, but still let's continue adding things to utils. Const compute negative risk yes price equal to return placeholder. Now do const yes price equal to 0 and do yes price. What do we take? We take no price big int, then no count big int, then question count big int. Okay, are all those things big integer? That's my question now. Number. Okay, I don't think any of those are big integer except for maybe question count. No, question count is for sure. Okay, no price. What's no price? It's big int. Okay, at least that's correct. no price, and this will be number and in here we'll do those modifications. No price into big int, no count. Let's put this together. Then minus collateral scale into big int, no count minus 1, and put all this together, divide by big int question count minus no count, remove this plus 1. Okay, we got this. What was the okay? We have 8 minutes. Hopefully we are able to finish this. We did this. We already have this. Okay, we have everything else. Let's do export. No price, no count PNL. Then we do for if index set is equal to I, get negative risk position, market ID question index yes will be here. It was 1, right? Okay, no index, still will check. Okay, it's 0. 0, we'll add that here. Yes, index. Okay, that's great. We got position and we got update user position with buy. Context stakeholder position ID, yes, price, amount. Okay, awesome. With this we have completed our negative risk adapter PNL part. Let's check. Okay, no need to check, we'll just add this. Let's do git add, git commit -m. What? Okay, PNL negative risk adapter finished. Negative risk adapter handlers completed. Okay, awesome. We still have 5 more minutes to go, but I'm gonna end the stream early. And yeah, final few things. If you are liking the stream, please do subscribe to this channel. If you want to explore NVO, go to nvo.dev. Go follow NVO on Twitter, which is NVO indexer and me at Nick Bindade, which is NIKBHINTAD. That's okay. For some reason, it's not opening, but you should be able to see this and this thing, the address, website address, or whatever you want to call it. It's envio.dev, envio.dev. Okay, cool. If you like the stream or didn't like the stream, let me know in the comments or on Twitter DMs. It's always both things are open, so you can give me feedback, give me recommendations, anything and everything at all. Open to it. If you want to get a demo, maybe email me at nikhil@nvo.dev and I'll set you up with new indexers or data solutions. And come back here tomorrow at the same time, which is 8:30 p.m. IST or 5 or 3 p.m. UTC. Okay, and have a nice day. Bye.